Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning the GPU on so you actually get GPU time. This is the essential first step. Open Settings, choose Accelerator, and pick GPU. Once done, make sure the kernel and Docker image match the CUDA version you plan to use. Mismatches break CUDA calls. Then run a quick check with NVIDIA SMI to confirm the card and driver are visible. This prevents wasted time later, when code silently falls back to CPU without you noticing. Next, you prepare the environment so your code leverages the GPU reliably. Install and pin libraries with pip in a cell. Version pinning avoids CUDA incompatibilities. Once libraries are installed, restart the kernel to ensure compiled extensions load against the GPU driver. Bring data into the notebook using Kaggle datasets or the Kaggle API, and stream large files in batches rather than loading everything into memory. This reduces OOM errors and keeps training run stable and repeatable. Finally, you run and monitor jobs while keeping an eye on resource signals. Start with a small test job to validate that your model uses the GPU. This saves time before long runs. Continuously check NVIDIA SMI and your logs for GPU memory, utilization, and temperature so you can adjust batch size or mixed precision. If something goes wrong, first check that your deep learning library, CUDA, and driver versions match. Mismatches are the most common root cause and usually fixable by reinstalling a compatible package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.